In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create dynamic forms with pre-filled fields via URL. If you're looking to make form submissions easier and faster, stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to pass data through URLs and autofill your forms. This method works perfectly for customer signups, event registrations, or even internal forms where you want to streamline the process. You'll be able to provide pre-filled values in your forms, reducing errors and making things more user-friendly. Here's the key thing to remember. Dynamic forms with pre-filled fields via URL can save time and improve the user experience. So how do you do it? First, you need to understand that forms are made up of fields, things like name, email, address, etc. For each of these fields, you'll be creating a query string in your URL. This string will pass the value from the URL directly into the form field. Let's break it down. Say your form has a field called name. In your URL, you'll add name John Doe at the end of the form's URL. Now, when a user clicks on that URL, the name field will automatically be filled with John Doe. It gets even better. If your form has multiple fields, you simply add them in a sequence separated by an ampersand. For example, name John Doe email or John Doe example or com. Now, both the name and email fields are pre-filled when the user visits the form. You can also make it more dynamic by pulling values from other parts of the URL or external data sources, but that's a more advanced step. If you're using a platform or software to manage your forms, make sure they support this kind of URL parameter integration. Now, if you've tried all the most popular software out there for forms and are still looking for something more efficient, I've got a solution for you. In the description below, you'll find an exclusive free trial for the software we'll be using today. This software allows you to set up these dynamic forms quickly and easily, and you'll be able to follow along with the tutorial step by step. One of the best parts of this method is that you don't need to mess around with complicated code or custom scripts. It's as simple as editing the URL and adding your form parameters. As a quick revision, remember: 1. Identify the form fields you want to pre-fill. 2. Construct the URL with query strings for each field. 3. Use on to start and man to separate multiple fields in the URL. 4. Take advantage of the free trial in the description for easier form management. Lastly, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial below if you want to follow along and start using this software today. Key takeaway: using dynamic forms with pre-filled fields via URL is a great way to improve user experience and streamline form submissions. And remember, you can do it easily with the software linked below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.